Hello, my name is Bill Hummel. The topic is about rental real estate. Many of our clients have rental real estate whether they initially bought it for that purpose or it was converted from a personal residence because they could not sell it. If an individual owns a rental property, the income and all expenses associated with that property should be reported on Schedule E, which is included in their individual income tax form 1040. The expenses that are reported on Schedule E include the normal operating expenses that the owner pays and depreciation. Depreciation is calculated annually by taking the basis less land value of the property and following a schedule which spreads the cost over 27.5 years for residential and 39 years for a commercial property. Almost all rental activity, by definition, is a passive activity, which is an important term. The result of the rental operations on Form Schedule E within the 1040 will produce a passive activity result, which is either net income or net loss. If there is an income, this is added to other taxable income, less your normal deductions, and you pay tax based on the tax bracket you're in. If you have a loss from a rental activity, complications arise due to the passive activity loss limitations, which were passed into law in 1986. The law states you cannot deduct losses from passive activities in excess of other passive income and must be carried forward to future years using certain allocations. There is an exception to the passive loss rule, and that is if your adjusted gross income is $100,000 or less and you actively participated in the passive rental activity, you would be allowed up to a $25,000 deduction. This allowance does continue but is limited and phased out completely at $150,000 of adjusted gross income. What I have just discussed are the basics as to receiving a deduction from a rental activity. Other items that need to be considered are material participation, basis, at-risk rules, self-rental, ownership, and vacation rentals, to name some of the important terms. As you can see, there is a lot to consider filing a proper rental activity within your personal income tax return. If we can be of help, please contact us. Thank you.